Is your pocket option deposit stuck in limbo, leaving you frustrated and unable to trade? Today, we're diving deep into common reasons for pending deposits on pocket option and how to get your funds moving fast. First up, let's talk about payment method confirmation. Sometimes your bank or payment provider needs an extra step to authorize the transaction. Double-check your email and SMS for any verification requests from your bank or the payment processor you used. Completing these prompts quickly is crucial. Next, review your deposit history within your pocket option account. Ensure the details you entered, like your card number or wallet address, were accurate. Even a single typo can cause delays or outright failures. Network connectivity can also play a role. Try to ensure you have a stable internet connection when making deposits. Sometimes, a brief interruption can cause a transaction to falter. If you've checked all the above and your deposit is still pending after a reasonable time, it's time to contact support. Head to the Pocket Option website and navigate to their support or help section. You'll usually find options for live chat, email, or a contact form. When you reach out, be ready to provide your account ID, the amount of your deposit, the date and time it was made, and the payment method used. Having your transaction reference number handy from your payment provider will also significantly speed up the resolution process. By addressing these common issues and knowing how to contact support effectively, you can ensure your trading capital gets where it needs to be, so you can get back to trading.